Finally got a fish after 100 casts. Small little white bass. Still something. Thank you, fish, for biting. Oh man. Something big just hit my line. I don't know what it is. I'm pretty sure it's a big hybrid, but it ain't little. I don't think so. Yeah. Almost got skunked today. Did not get skunked. That is awesome. Nice fat hybrid too. Just landed another good hybrid. About a good 2 pounds. It's on my third fish of the day. Joseph over here caught about 8 or 9. Killing us again. But it's all good. At least we're getting fish. It's a good one. It's a good one right here, man. This is a good one. This is a good one. Oh yeah, this is about a good, ain't that big, man. I'm just messing with you. But it is fighting good though. We'll see if I can get this. It's about a good, it's probably about 3 pounds, 2 pounds. About big as the rest of them. Oh no, it's about the same size as the rest. Thank you for biting, you little bastard. Hey man, get back down here, man. Come on. They still down here. Huh? But you were getting this pile. You see him jumping up. Let's see what happens. No, I ain't got nothing yet now. You just throwing straight ahead, huh? Yeah. Gotcha. Damn, Joseph finna catch 12. We're gonna catch 2 to your 12. Watch. Yep, on top water. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. You got another one, man. Yeah. So you know you're gonna be on YouTube. The dude gonna come out here and beat us again on number of fish. Watch. Talk to the camera, man. Oh yeah, that's a big boy.
Yeah, I need that trick with the hold up the camera.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I know, right? They hanging around out there for sure. Feel pretty good, man. Let's see what we got. Huh? I took a hit way out there, man. Oh, man, look at little baby fish. The little small fish, man. This son of a... It's the wind. That wind took me out. Yeah, it's good eating size, for sure. Well, rooster tail it is. Another good one, man. This one might be bigger than the last one. I don't know yet. It's around the same size, I think. It's coming over here, coming towards me now. Come on, big boy, get on in here. Yeah, another good one. That's my limit for today. Ah, crap, fuck. That was a good one, man. Yeah. Just landed me another little small one right at the bank. Wouldn't even expected to catch this little thing, but it hit me. Little baby. So back in the water you go. Got me a big boy on there that quick. God dang it, that was nice. So they hit good. Yes, 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 man. I cannot believe this. First, second, third cast, and this sucker right here has tagged me. You were waiting on me, wasn't you? Hey, boy, that's cool. Just landed me a nice hybrid bass on my second cast on top water. That was pretty awesome. Sucker hit so hard. It's a nice one. See, can we catch more of these? This one feels pretty good, but I know it's not. Oh, you are pretty good. Piece of you. Came in quick. I'll let you live, Mr. Man. Yeah. It's a nice one too. About time, man. God dang, it's a good one too, man. Landed me a nice little hybrid bass. First cast. First, a good one, man.
Yep.
God damn, that's a good one.
Yep.
That is a good one. That's about a good 2 pounder. Close to a 2 pounder.
Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna flip my rod though.
You're gonna go right to the bottom too. You're gonna put it straight up.
Put the phone at. Get one picture.
Fucking fish. That's called a fat ass. You get the net. You think I need a net?
Nah, he already at the top.
I don't mean that. So you can get the top down. Hey, man, your shit gone. What is this? Your drag ain't even set, man.
Foul hook.
Oh, you foul hook that shit?
Yeah.
Wherever it was, it's gone. What the hell is, oh, that's a shad. That's a fat shad, man. That is a big shad. Oh, just pull out the water. That is a big shad, man. It's huge.
It's foul hook. I'm scared if
No,
I
no,
pull
pull
it
it
up.
up. No, pull it up. It come out. I mean, your line's strong enough to pull it up. It's already there. It ain't gonna jump that much. That is a fat shad, dude. That sucker is great for cutting up some bait. Just go that big. That's good. Good you got in there.
Alright. Fishing 2021. Last day of fishing in Kansas. Come see me.
On the weekend.
Weekend.